James, did you know that the Sumatran Rainforest is home to some of the rarest and most unique plant species in the world? I heard there's a giant flower and a carnivorous plant there. Why do these plants thrive so well in Sumatra?
That's right, Alex. Sumatra is one of the most biodiverse places on Earth, thanks to its humid climate and unique soil conditions. Plants like Rafflesia Arnoldii and Nepenthes have evolved in remarkable ways to thrive in this environment.
The Sumatran Rainforest is truly a natural treasure. I've heard that the climate here is not only humid but also very stable, providing ideal conditions for the growth of many unique plant species. This makes me really curious about the biological stories behind their evolution.
Exactly, Alex. The rich soil and stable climate are key factors that allow plants here to thrive without much difficulty. Additionally, Sumatra's isolation from other regions has led to the development of unique plant species that can't be found anywhere else in the world. And it's not just Rafflesia Arnoldii and Nepenthes, there are many other amazing plants waiting for us to discover.
That sounds amazing, James. I really can't wait to learn more about those carnivorous plants and giant flowers you mentioned. Could you share a bit more about their uniqueness before we start our journey?
Sure, Alex. Rafflesia Arnoldii is known as the largest flower in the world, with a diameter that can reach up to 1 meter. Despite not having true leaves, stems, or roots, it grows from its host plant to produce this enormous bloom. Nepenthes, also known as the pitcher plant, is famous for its unique carnivorous behavior. It develops pitcher-shaped traps to catch and digest insects, supplementing its nitrogen intake from the poor soil.
That's incredible. These plants are not only large in size but also have such unique survival strategies. I'm sure our journey into the Sumatran Rainforest will reveal even more fascinating aspects of this rich plant world.
Exactly, Alex. Sumatra is Indonesia's largest island and the 6th largest in the world. Stretching about 1,700 kilometers in length and 370 kilometers in width, the island extends from north to south, offering incredibly diverse geography. From majestic mountain ranges to lush plains, each region has its own unique climate and ecosystem. Sumatra's climate is particularly unique. It has an equatorial climate with an average temperature of about 25 to 27 degrees Celsius and an annual rainfall that can reach up to 4,000 millimeters in many areas. This creates an ideal environment for the development of tropical rainforests. The frequent heavy rains not only maintain the necessary humidity but also provide abundant water for the plants and animals living here.
That's amazing. The stable, rainy climate not only helps the vegetation thrive but also creates a rich ecosystem where every species can find its ideal habitat. I've heard that the Sumatran Rainforest is also called the green lung of Southeast Asia, is that right?
Exactly, Alex. The Sumatran Rainforest plays a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance not only for the island but for all of Southeast Asia. It helps absorb large amounts of CO2 from the atmosphere, releases oxygen, and regulates the climate. Moreover, this rainforest is home to thousands of plant and animal species, many of which are endemic and cannot be found anywhere else in the world.
Not only that, James, I've also heard that the Sumatran Rainforest has a significant impact on the global ecosystem. This rainforest not only helps maintain biodiversity but also plays an important role in regulating the global climate. Can you explain more about this?
Of course, Alex. The Sumatran Rainforest is truly an indispensable part of the global ecosystem. First, it serves as a vital carbon reservoir. The trees and vegetation absorb CO2 from the atmosphere during photosynthesis, helping to reduce the greenhouse effect and slow down climate change. Second, this rainforest provides clean water and regulates water flow, impacting groundwater and major rivers that flow through several countries.
Wow, that's incredible. This means that protecting the Sumatran Rainforest benefits not only the local people but also has global significance. Every tree protected here contributes to reducing climate change and preserving clean water sources for millions of people.
Exactly, Alex. In addition, the Sumatran Rainforest is a treasure trove of biodiversity, home to many rare plant and animal species that science continues to discover. The existence and conservation of this forest are not only important environmentally but also hold immense value for scientific research and medicine.
So, let's now delve deeper into the Sumatran Rainforest to discover the unique plant species and their amazing stories. Let's start our journey. Look, James. Is that Rafflesia Arnoldii? I heard it's the largest flower in the world, but seeing it in person is truly spectacular.
That's right, Alex. Rafflesia Arnoldii is truly a natural wonder. Its flower can reach a diameter of up to 1 meter and weigh up to 10 kilograms. What's special about this flower is that it doesn't have true leaves, stems, or roots. Instead, it lives as a parasite on host plants, mainly vines of the genus Tetrastigma.
Unbelievable. But I also heard it has a very distinctive scent that isn't always pleasant, is that right?
Exactly, Alex. When in full bloom, Rafflesia Arnoldii emits a scent similar to rotting meat. This odor attracts flies and beetles, which help pollinate the flower. Although it may not be pleasant for us, it's a clever survival strategy for this plant.
What an amazing evolutionary strategy. It seems like every plant has its own way to adapt and thrive. This really makes me appreciate the diversity and richness of nature even more.
Alex, look over there. That's Nepenthes, also known as the pitcher plant. It's one of the most unique carnivorous plants we can find in Sumatra.
Wow, its pitchers look like perfect traps. How does Nepenthes catch insects, James?
Nepenthes develops pitchers with sweet nectar at the rim to attract insects. When the insects are lured by the scent and fall into the pitcher, they're broken down by the plant's digestive fluids. This helps the plant supplement its nutrients, especially nitrogen, which the poor soil cannot provide adequately. Alex, look at the Amorphophallus titanum. This is one of the plants with the largest flowers in the world, and it also has a very unique scent.
I've heard a lot about this plant. Its flower can grow up to 3 meters tall and has a very strong scent. But why does it have such a unique smell, James?
Amorphophallus titanum, also known as the corpse flower, emits a scent similar to rotting meat to attract pollinating insects, just like Rafflesia Arnoldii. This strong smell mainly attracts beetles and flies, which help pollinate the flower. When the flower blooms, it generates heat to spread the scent further, drawing insects from a considerable distance.
Although the scent might not be pleasant, its survival strategy is truly impressive. I feel really fortunate to witness such unique plants.
Exactly, Alex. Each plant we explore carries its own amazing stories of evolution and adaptation. There's so much more waiting for us ahead.
Let's continue our journey and discover more unique plants in the Sumatran Rainforest. James, look at those towering trees. They're so impressive. Are those Dipterocarpus? I've heard they are the tallest trees in the Sumatran Rainforest.
That's right, Alex. Dipterocarpus trees are among the most prominent in Sumatra. They can grow up to 70 meters or more, with straight trunks and broad canopies. They play a crucial role in the rainforest canopy, providing shade and habitat for many animal species.
Impressive. These trees are not only tall but also have very sturdy trunks. I guess they play a significant role in maintaining the rainforest structure and providing resources for other species.
Exactly, Alex. Dipterocarpus trees not only provide valuable timber but also serve as a food source and habitat for many animals and insects. Their seeds are an important food source for birds and rodents. Additionally, their roots help stabilize the soil and prevent erosion, protecting the forest ecosystem.
That's amazing. Such tall and strong trees contribute so much to maintaining the balance and diversity of the Sumatran rainforest. I feel really lucky to witness these giant Dipterocarpus trees firsthand.
Alex, let's continue exploring another unique tree, Ficus benjamina, also known as the banyan tree. These banyan trees can grow into enormous sizes, with broad canopies and roots that dig deep into the ground.
I know about this tree. They not only grow large but also have the ability to develop many aerial roots that extend from the branches down to the ground, creating a complex root system. This is a fascinating and unique feature of this tree.
Exactly, Alex. Ficus benjamina often develops numerous aerial roots, creating massive support columns that help the tree stand firm and expand its canopy. This allows the banyan tree to spread out widely, sometimes covering a large area of the forest. The aerial roots also help the tree absorb water and nutrients from the soil more efficiently.
Incredible. This explains why the banyan tree often becomes a crucial anchor in the rainforest, providing shade and habitat for various species. I'm truly impressed by the growth and adaptability of this tree.
Exactly, Alex. The banyan tree is not only an important part of the forest ecosystem but also holds significant cultural value for many local communities. It is often seen as a symbol of longevity and the connection between nature and humanity. Stories and legends about the banyan tree are deeply intertwined with spiritual values.
James, I see those large spiky fruits over there. Are those durian trees? I've heard that their fruits are famous for their unique smell, which some people love and others can't stand.
That's right, Alex. The durian tree, also known as the king of fruits, is a very special fruit tree in Southeast Asia, especially in Sumatra. Durian fruit has a hard, spiky shell, but inside is a soft, creamy flesh with a very distinctive smell.
I'm really curious about the smell. Why is the smell of durian so unique, James?
The unique smell of durian fruit comes from sulfur compounds in the fruit. These compounds create a strong odor that some people describe as delicious, while others find it unpleasant. However, once you get used to the smell, many people come to enjoy the unique flavor of durian.
That's fascinating. I've heard that durian fruit is not only famous for its smell but also very nutritious, is that right?
Exactly, Alex. Durian fruit is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's a great source of vitamin C, B vitamins, potassium, and fiber. Additionally, durian contains healthy fats and is very energy dense, making it a nutritious and popular fruit.
That sounds really appealing. It seems that durian trees are not only unique in their smell but also very nutritious. Growing and harvesting durian must be an important part of local life.
That's right, Alex. In Sumatra, durian is not only a popular fruit but also an important part of local culture and economy. Durian markets are always bustling and are a place where people meet and trade. Growing durian also provides a sustainable livelihood for many farming families.
I really want to try a piece of durian to experience the unique flavor that everyone talks about. Do you know any place in Sumatra where we can taste fresh durian?
Of course, Alex. There are many durian orchards in Sumatra where visitors can tour and taste fresh durian right at the farm. This would be a great experience to understand more about the local culture and lifestyle.
James, I see a tree over there with very distinctive bark that has a familiar scent. Is that cinnamomum or cinnamon tree? I've heard that cinnamon is not only a popular spice but also has many other uses.
That's right, Alex. The cinnamomum tree is the source of the famous cinnamon spice. Cinnamon bark is widely used in cooking around the world. But it's not just that, cinnamon is also used in traditional medicine and as a fragrance.
I really love the warm and sweet scent of cinnamon. But I'm curious, James, how do people harvest and process cinnamon bark to create the spice we commonly use?
The process of harvesting and processing cinnamon is quite meticulous, Alex. First, farmers select cinnamon trees that are about 2 to 3 years old for harvesting. Then, they peel off the bark in sections. The peeled bark is dried in the sun, causing it to curl into the cinnamon sticks we commonly see. Finally, these sticks are either cut into smaller pieces or ground into powder for culinary use.
That's impressive. Cinnamon not only adds a special flavor to dishes but also offers many wonderful health benefits. I think cultivating and protecting cinnamon trees is just as important as the other species we've explored.
Exactly, Alex. In Sumatra, cultivating cinnamon not only provides sustainable income for farmers but also helps protect the environment and maintain biodiversity. Cinnamon trees have good regenerative abilities and can be replanted after each harvest, helping to stabilize the soil and prevent erosion.
I truly admire the connection between people and nature in Sumatra. Each tree we've explored brings immense value, from culture and economy to health. I think we need to cherish and protect these precious assets. We hope you've learned many interesting things about the Sumatran rainforest and its mysterious plant species in this video. We hope this information has helped you understand more about the diversity and importance of the Sumatran rainforest. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our upcoming videos.
Please leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions. We really look forward to your feedback and input.
Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Goodbye and have a great day.